Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business model hand position fix using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a business lifestyle image. I pause because hand gestures matter. I duplicate the layer and convert it to a smart object. I open Puppet Warp. I add pins on fingers and wrist carefully. I gently rotate the hand to look relaxed. I stop often. Over movement looks fake. I zoom in to check skin and edges. I lock the arm with an extra pin. The gesture now feels confident and calm. I apply the warp